All right, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Frost in Austin, and I am at one of the biggest waterfalls in North Carolina. Right here, boom.
That's right.
If you watch the channel or have watched the channel for quite some time, you guys know how many fish over the years that people have caught right here with me, whether it's Ben Milliken, John B, Alex Rudd, so many studs in our industry right here. But what we are going to do is I'm going to drop my GoPro inside of the waterfall. So I'm calling this I accidentally dropped my GoPro, but I actually have the GoPro on a huge painter pole, and we are going to shine it all the way up in there, and I'm gonna see if we see baitfish, bass, trout, yellow perch, crappie. I don't know what's in there. So you guys are hopping along. We are going on an adventure. I'm gonna end up doing 3 waterfalls today too. So they're gonna be 3 waterfalls that we end up dropping the GoPro in. So without further ado, let's see what's down there. All right, well, we are at waterfall number 2 behind us, and I picked up Molly, Isaac, and Macy, but we are going to put the GoPro on the painter's pole in this waterfall, and there's definitely more fish activity here. I actually just caught a really nice fish. Bubba, reel it, Bubba, reel it. It's a big one. Reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it, reel it. Big one. Big one, Bubba. Giant. Oh, you got him?
No, you didn't reel.
Here, you got him. Keep fighting him. Keep fighting him. You got him? Oh, dude, it's a big one. Isaac, hold on, not that close, hold on. Oh, here, bring him here. We got him, Bubba. We got him. We got him, bro. But we are going to drop the GoPro in there and show you guys what is happening underneath the water at the second waterfall of the day. Here we go. Well, it's the day after, and I figured I couldn't do the outro video from the water because I just didn't know what the GoPro was picking up under the water. And we only ended up doing those 2 waterfalls. I had went to the 3rd waterfall, and then my underwater GoPro had died, and I'm like, well, that's all right. But what was really unique to me was the first waterfall is a waterfall that usually has tremendous amounts of fish activity. And to be honest, I feel like I didn't really see that many fish, whether it be bluegill, bass, or any other species, other than a few bait fish. I guess I did see some bluegill once we kind of moved out from the rapids. But one thing I did notice was how many nooks and crannies were in that first waterfall. And those little spots, I've always kind of wondered, you know, you kind of visualize as an angler, you're always like, I wonder if there's nooks and crannies they kind of get down in and break the current, or they can hunt efficiently and effectively. And yeah, I mean, there was a ton of that. But one thing, they just recently started dropping the water levels, and I think when the water's all the way up, those fish kind of move in there because there's even more space in there. But with them, they've dropped the water maybe like, I don't know, 1.5 feet or so, and I think it flushed a lot of those fish out. So it was almost too much turbulence and too shallow of water. You know what I'm saying? There wasn't enough, I guess, depth for the fish to kind of get in at where the white water was hitting. So, but the second waterfall was awesome. I mean, watching the video back, I did not see any of those fish in the water. I just was like, oh, we're gonna throw the GoPro down there, and literally there was a bunch of bass down there, tons of bluegill, a ton of baitfish. I put it up under like this rock ledge, just, you know, once again, I didn't know what the heck I was looking at. I didn't have Bluetooth on the GoPro or nothing like that. And man, we got so many different bass on film. I mean, I think there were like 8 or 9 different bass in that second waterfall. Tons of shiners, tons of herring, tons of brim. I'm sure if I held it a little lower in the rock, I probably could have got some video of some crawfish. But man, that was a really, really cool project. If you guys enjoyed it, I would love to hear your feedback down in the comment section. Tell me what you thought of it. I thought it was a really cool video. Like I said, I didn't really know what to expect, being just an awesome, awesome time, awesome video, going back and reviewing it. And it's kind of like Christmas, you know, you're like editing the video and you're like, I don't know what the heck's, I don't know what's going to be on this, you know, footage, but man, that was pretty cool. Some really nice bass too. Like I was looking at a few of those, they were like 3.5 pound largemouth. I was like, heck yeah, chilling out at the waterfall, getting some fresh, cool water and hanging out around baitfish. But anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all a ton for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're a frequent watcher, would love for you to subscribe. It helps us know you guys love our content. And yeah, until next time, we are out. See you guys.